Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with an Amora coffee box. Now, I won this in a giveaway. Arkansas Gals, which I will link below, she does a lot of unboxings, and the company was giving away a box. I entered and I won. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this box. Now, Amora Coffee has coffee that is made in the US. They have caffeinated, decaf, they even have teas. Now, for every dollar you spend earns you a point. If you do subscribe and save, then it earns you 2 points. So that's pretty cool. You basically build your own subscription box. You choose what you want, how much you want, how often you want it, and you'll earn twice the points on the subscribe and save. And a lot of them, well, let's go ahead and look inside the box first. So here's the box. Inside we have welcome to Amora, tells you about the point systems. Thank you so much for your support. They are roasted in the USA. They're hand-packed in foil, satisfaction guarantee, and they give back. They support and donate to Project Waterfall, helping bring clean water to coffee growing communities. Very nice. And then we have HelloFresh coupon. I will not be using it, but you are more than welcome to. Now, the 16 free meals is over a period of time. You don't get that all at once. They want to spread it out, so that way they get you to subscribe for more than 1 month. Keep that in mind. Okay, here's the coffee. Can't smell anything, so they're very well sealed. So this is an 8-ounce bag. These usually run between $14.95 and a little bit higher, $16.95, things like that on their site, just for 18 ounces. But it is a premium coffee. This is the birthday cake ground coffee. We hope to make your life richer by bringing you a coffee that is all that coffee can and should be. It'll elevate your coffee experience with an aroma that uplifts and a taste that delights. We can only hope that you get as much pleasure drinking it as we do bringing it to you. Very positive message, and I like the packaging. I think it's very pretty. And then the next one is 10 ounces. It's an Arabica coffee. It's their anniversary blend that is finely ground, limited reserve, choice, rare, varietal, small batch roasted. And there is that one. I am so happy to win this giveaway. It's fun with winning giveaways. If you are interested in any of this coffee, I will go ahead and link the company down below for you. Remember, if you subscribe and save in this company, you earn 20% discount and twice the amount of points than if you were to just buy a bag at a time. So I am so glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.